Ear pain in children can be caused by various factors, and detecting early ear problems and diseases in children is crucial for timely intervention and treatment. Here is an explanation to some of the common causes of ear pain in children and insights on how parents can detect early ear problem. The common causes of ear pain in children are: 1. Ear infection, that is also known as otitis media. Ear infection, particularly acute otitis media, are one of the most common cause of ear pain in children. These infections typically occur when bacteria or viruses cause inflammation and fluid building up behind the eardrum or in the middle ear. Symptoms may include ear pain, fever, irritability, and difficulty sleeping. Number 2 is swimmer's ear, also known as otitis externa, which is an infection of the outer ear canal, often caused by water exposure or irritation from the foreign object. Symptoms include ear pain, redness and swelling of the ear canal, and discharge. Third is the middle ear effusion, which refers to fluid building in the middle ear without any signs of infection. It can occur on a previous ear infection or as a result of allergies, or maybe because of eustachian tube dysfunction. Children may experience mild to moderate ear pain or pressure along with hearing difficulties and autophony. Number 4 are foreign bodies. Children usually insert foreign objects such as beads, toys, food particles into their ears, leading to irritation, inflammation, and ear pain. Parents should be very cautious and prevent the child from inserting any objects in the ear. Number 5 is the trauma or any injury to the ear, such as blow to the ear or injury from inserting object into the ear, can cause pain and discomfort. In severe cases, it may lead to damage of ear structures and require medical attention. Number 6 are dental problems. Dental issues such as tooth infection or erupting molars can sometimes cause a referred pain to the ear, leading to ear discomfort in the children. Detecting early ear problems in children can be done by: 1. Observing signs of discomfort. Parents should pay attention to the signs of discomfort or pain in their children, such as pulling or rubbing of the ear, excessive crying, irritability, difficulty sleeping, or change in feeding and behavior. Number 2 is monitoring of symptoms. Parents have to be vigilant for symptoms commonly associated with ear problem, including ear pain, fever, drainage from the ear, hearing difficulties, or any balance issue. Number 3 is regular checkups. Scheduled regular visits with a pediatrician or a healthcare provider for routine ear examination and screening. These checkups allow early detection of any signs of ear problem or infection. Number 4 is avoid risk factor. You have to take steps to reduce the risk factor for ear infection and other ear related issues by practicing a good hygiene, avoiding exposure to secondhand smoke, promoting the breastfeeding, which can help boost the immune system and reduce the risk of infection. Number 5 are prompt medical evaluation. If the parents suspect that their child have a ear problem, or if the child exhibits persistent or severe symptoms, it is essential to seek prompt medical evaluation and treatment from a qualified healthcare professional. Early intervention can prevent complication and also promote faster recovery. By staying vigilant and observing symptoms and signs of discomfort and seeking timely medical evaluation when needed, parents can detect and address early problems in their children, promoting their overall health and well-being. Regular communication with the healthcare providers and adherence to preventive measures can also play a very crucial role in maintaining good ear health in their children, so that they don't go into any complication of ear diseases. Thank you.